3.
You just go straight to 3. Oh, you're going backwards.
1.
You're one of those. Okay. Both the intro. Hey, Richard.
Hey, Richard.
What, Charlie?
What are we cooking today?
We are going to make lasagna.
Nice. How are we going to make that?
We're going to make lasagna cups.
That's awesome.
And we're going to start off with a beer with underwear. You have your beer?
I've got my beer.
No underwear.
No underwear.
This beer's almost going commando.
It's Coda.
Yeah. So, but now we're gonna put it in lasagna noodles, but we're gonna put it in muffin tins, and just basically just like a little snack.
That'll be perfect.
But we're involved in a lasagna collaboration day for Lasagna Day, which is today, which is not really today. July 29th is Lasagna Day. So it'd be I don't remember what my hashtag is, because I'm the one that started it on the thing. Hashtag be down below. And I think my camera just turned off.
Oh.
Oh yeah, camera went bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. So right here, this is the lasagna cups.
Very cool.
And let's get started.
Let's get going.
All right.
What you doing there, Richard?
I'm going to grate, Charlie. You know, something you're not doing today. I'm going to grate my cheese.
Oh.
Because I'm fancy like that.
I see how you are.
You know, you're a slacker. Alright, here we go. We're going to grate this. And I hope I'm on the right. Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah, maybe the bigger side.
Now I want maybe this side. Man, this thing's falling apart on me. Might have to use a knife on it too.
It's been sitting in 100-degree heat for a little bit.
Yeah. I know, it's been out here for like maybe 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes most. Texas heat. I think that's more than enough. I'll be able to have some to the top afterwards. My hand's getting all kind of moist and nasty, so anyway, I'm calling that done. So I'm moving on to the next step. Yes. Alright, let's do this part. The last thing we have to do before we hit the grill. We're going to do this all in the Blackstone griddle, by the way. Hashtag Blackstone. Watch my videos. So we're just going to take this stuff out of the casing. This is pig and pig right here. I should have got my gloves on, but I didn't. So we're going to do this anyway. We're just going to mix this all up. We're going to turn this into a ball.
You need that meat, man.
Take that, you meat and like it. Oh. Me and this meat are now dating. Okay, we're going to move on to the next step. Anyway, so I'm going to pour a liberal amount of salt in here.
More than a dollop?
When you do pasta, it's supposed to be like salt water.
Really?
Yes.
To keep it from sticking?
No, actually it's just a flavor. It just absorbs it, but it doesn't take so much where it's over salty.
Yeah.
Okay, switching over here because that's getting painful to watch. Okay, we got to wrap the boil. I'm going to smash these things down. I actually like to do it with my hands more, but I don't have my gloves on. And this makes a great tomato sauce. I could have chopped this up, but I'm lazy.
Basil is good.
That's for Italian food.
I got some coming too.
Okay, okay, we're gonna let this boil. See where it goes. All right, so this is beginning to boil, so I'm gonna be able to pull this off and. Ready?
Richard, what are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna add some veggies, onion, green pepper, because it's actually the Holy Trinity. I'm using up the leftovers. So there's a little celery in there, but I don't think it affects it. The meat's about to go down. So we had several people over here today, so we're having a good time. Things are taking a while.
Hadn't been any drinking going on.
Yeah.
No, because we don't do that.
There's no complaints. Hanging out with good people is always a good time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw down my ground beef first. This is about 1.5 pounds. It's gonna be a little bit more beef than there is sausage. The story of Charlie's life.
Be the other way around.
Oh, you picked up on that. Actually, hardly none actually hit the ground. Just the pan did.
5-second rule, Brad.
Let's go, brother.
All right. So we're gonna put a layer of. I cut these almost in half. I had to cut a little bit off. We're gonna go a little cup form. And I'm gonna stick down there until I get some stuff in here. A little sauce. I'm going in with hands. I'm hands on. Shitload of meat. And I'm an idiot because my cheese is still in the fridge. You can pause that. I'm going to open my mozzarella that Charlie left in the fridge. Didn't bring out. Mozzarella, see, I'm in New York. Mozzarella. We call it mozzarella.
Well, I bet I got the Parmesan out that it took you about a half hour to grate, so we got that.
Thanks for making it short. It took about an hour. Alright, we're going to just peel off a piece of here. Throw that in there. And put a little more sauce in. Throw it up on cheese. If you haven't had fresh mozzarella melting in something like this, you don't know what you're missing. Throw a little more in. It's the cheesiest. It's like
It's the cheesiest.
I'm gonna throw some Parmesan on top. Throw a little more sauce. We're gonna put a little parsley on top. The only thing I didn't buy fresh, because I'm an idiot.
Well, everybody on the channel knows that already, so
Yeah.
it's not a big deal.
They've seen me. So anyway, we're gonna bake this thing for about 20 minutes. As soon as Charlie finishes filling these up, because he's faster than me.
Well, there you go.
Word!
Word to your mother.
Alright, guys, let's try it.
All right, Shan.
me,
Let's serve some of this up.
Let me scoop one out here.
Shan's going for the best looking one that he can find.
Oh,
Oh, it's falling apart a little bit.
they are little.
We got it over there. It flipped over. I'm gonna get another one though.
They're a little delicate.
Maybe I should hit him with a little oil to make them stick together.
But hey, look.
I'm gonna actually get 2 more out.
Oh well. Doesn't matter.
That is-
Look at
It
that.
doesn't matter what it looks like. It matters what it tastes like.
We got 3 of them here.
We got 3 of them here. Let's
There's more left.
try some of this.
We're gonna try it.
Because it took Richard 12 hours to make them.
Cutting with fork only.
I would like to talk shit, but you're probably right.
That is some lasagna in a cup.
Woo!
It's like bite-sized, tapas-sized lasagna, but the same flavor. Extreme burst of tomato. You can definitely tell them. Look at the mozzarella.
Look,
there.
yeah, look at that.
Nice.
Oh, it came down, but I caught it on
You
the board.
did, you did. Went straight
And I'm
down.
getting it back.
Yeah, look at that stretch. That's that fresh mozzarella. Or,
Nice.
or as we say in New York, mozzarella. Right. Mozzarella. That's right. Ever.
So good.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with that.
And there's definitely a meal, and you don't have to have a huge portion. Have as much or as little as you want.
Like you said, you know, if you order like just a portion where it's like 3 of them with a salad.
Yeah,
That's a freaking meal.
That is dinner.
That's a $20 entree. You get 2 of them on a tapas plate. That's an $11, $12 tapas for sure. But I like the fact they're separate. Consistent flavor. You can have as much or as little as you like, and just the flavor is like bursting through. It's so good.
Yeah,
Good stretchy cheese.
I like it. That's why you gotta use the fresh stuff.
Makes the effort pay off.
No matter how much I
You
drank.
guys- I don't know about you guys. I'm gonna keep eating.
Right?
Well, there you go.
Keep doing it.
And so you know what,
I am
Richard?
So, okay, come on, Charlie.
It's a successful day
And close out my video for me. You know what to say.
because you know what we do? We just cook the damn food.
Cook the damn food.
Oh yeah.
I'm just hoping there's more water boiling.
Well, that's
Very
next
exciting.
video. That's next video.
Okay. Next week is the 3 hour fire.
I'm gonna make a whole YouTube video on how to boil water.
How to boil water on a Blackstone. Hashtag Blackstone.